about a year ago, I made a video on how I had made over $300 just scanning receipts in the past several years, and a year has gone by since I've created that video, and I've definitely refined and updated my process. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 apps that I have used to make literally hundreds of dollars from scanning receipts. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne. I post videos every Monday on all things investing and personal finance. All of the apps and all the links that I'm talking about will all be linked down in the description bar for you guys to use. Some of them I have referral codes that if you use, then you can get an additional amount of money. So the first app that I use, which is my favorite app, is called the Fetch app. The Fetch app is an app where you can scan receipts from all stores and restaurants for a certain amount of points. And what you can redeem these points for is from a plethora of restaurants and retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and you can even redeem for cash cards, so like a Visa gift card. What I've actually done is I've collected points and then redeemed them for gift cards to restaurants or someplace and used those for date nights that me and my boyfriend have. And that's a really fun way to save money. For every receipt that you upload, you get about 25 points, which means every receipt is about 2.5 cents. Other ways you can get points besides just uploading receipts: if you link your Amazon account, and also if you link your email, and if you purchase partner products. Within the Fetch app, they have partnerships with brands. You get an additional amount of points. They also do bonuses just for uploading any receipt. Like today, I uploaded a receipt and I got 1,000 points bonus, which was $1. And if you use my referral code, which I will put right here, you get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to about $2 when you scan your first receipt. But other than that, I've estimated that I probably have made around $40 per year using the Fetch app. So definitely go try that one out if you haven't already. I'll also have a link down below for you. The second app is a new one that actually I found out from one of you guys in my video last year. It's called CoinOut, and this is an app that was actually on Shark Tank. You earn money from scanning receipts from in stores or online. You can cash out receipts into your bank account, into a PayPal account, or as an Amazon gift card. There's no minimum for an Amazon gift card or into your bank account, but there is a $20 minimum cashing out to PayPal. The better quality the receipt and the picture, the more you will get for the receipt. So I've gotten anywhere from 2 cents per receipt up to like 18 cents per receipt. Other ways you can make money on the CoinOut app is if you connect your email. I know some people get weird about that. I'll talk more about that later in the video. Right now, there is a $9.99 bonus if you connect your email. And if you connect your email for at least 30 days, you get a $1.50 bonus on top of that. There's generally a limit to how many receipts you can upload, but the more emails that you connect to your account, the more receipts you'll be able to upload for cash. You can also make money through the CoinOut app by visiting the CoinOut app before you purchase anything from one of the merchants that they are affiliated with. I also have a referral link down in the description bar for you guys to check out. The third app is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog is an app that I've been using for years and years. It's the first app that I ever started using. And within the app, you earn coins from your receipts from any store, big or small, that sells groceries, health items, beauty items, etc. And you can redeem these coins for cash or gift cards. The amount that your receipt is worth depends on how much the receipt is for, but generally each receipt is worth about 5 to 6 cents. Oftentimes they will come out with surveys depending on things that you have purchased, and by completing those surveys you will get additional coins that you can redeem for cash. In addition, they have what they call hog levels. So for each consecutive week that you upload a receipt, you get closer to the next hog level. So the longer you use Receipt Hog, the more coins and the quicker you will make money from it. Currently I'm at level 29, and when I reach the next level, I will get 425 coins. You can also get extra coins by linking your Amazon account, and if you link your emails for receipts, just like the Fetch app and the CoinOut app. They also have monthly drawings for users of Receipt Hog, but I've literally never won, and I've used this app for like years, so I wouldn't really count on that for making any extra cash. I will also have a link for that down below for you guys to use. Receipt Hog also has it almost looks like a slot machine, and basically for uploading certain receipts, you can play the little slot machine game and you will get additional coins. The fourth app is called Receipt Pal. Receipt Pal is also one that I've used for a very, very long time, and you can upload receipts for your household similarly to the Receipt Hog app, and you can redeem these for retail gift cards or Amazon gift cards. I always redeem them for Amazon gift cards. But the more points that you redeem for, the more your receipts are going to be worth. So basically, if you redeem for $5, your receipts are going to be worth less than if you waited to redeem for $100. What I always do is I save all of my points until I have enough to get the $100 Amazon gift card, because that's the highest amount that they have. One receipt is worth about 10 cents when I do that. Other ways you can get points from the Receipt Pal app app is if you connect your email, if you link your Amazon account, which to redeem for the $100 Amazon gift card, you have to connect your Amazon account. I started using this app in October 2014 when I was in college, and I've made about $27, give or take, per year. One thing I do want to address with all of these apps in connecting your email, I know a lot of people are weary of connecting their emails. You don't have to do that for any of these apps. All of the apps do claim that they are very secure. Obviously, take that with a grain of salt because everyone knows of all of the hacks that go on. I'm just letting you guys know that that's an option for you guys to do. Scanning receipts like this and earning money from them takes a very long time, but the more you do it, the more rewards you get, and it takes a lot of patience. So if you're someone who has a lot of patience, who has extra time, I honestly think about it. I'm like, I obviously have enough time to like watch a show or watch YouTube videos every day. I have enough time to take a couple minutes and scan the receipts into my app for extra cash. Also, scanning your receipts is not for somebody who wants their marketing habits tracked. So basically the way that these apps make money is that they take what you buy as a consumer and understand what your marketing habits are, and they sell those to marketing companies. That's how they make money. The reasons why you should scan your receipts is it's literally free money. I always think about like all the money I make additionally, like through these apps, are just additional fun money that I can use. All of this money I usually go towards things that I like doing for fun or a travel fund. One of the reasons why I really like tracking my receipts in these apps is because it tracks my receipts and I don't have to have the paper receipt. There have been so many times when I wanted to like return something and I didn't have the actual physical receipt for it, but because I had the receipt on the app, I was able to return something and gotten my money back, whereas otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get a refund. But in conclusion, no, you are not going to be getting rich from scanning receipts. This is just a small additional thing you can do to earn some extra cash. Stacking all of these apps, I've made a decent amount of money per year using these apps, but I've probably made at least, I don't know, let's think, maybe $100 a year using these apps, which isn't a ton of money. That's less than $10 a month. I always think of the Bible verse, Luke 16:10, which says, whoever can be trusted with very little can be trusted with much, and whoever is dishonest with very little will also be dishonest with much. If you are new to my channel, thank you guys for checking out my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and hit the like button. I have several apps that I like to use for different reasons to save money. So if you want me to create any other videos like that, let me know down in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. What are they called? I don't know. Oreo, come on, get out.